नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जीविन प्रीति सिंह, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic microsphere, microcapsule, and microparticle. The short introduction of the microsphere, microcapsule, and microparticle. So, this topic belongs to the novel drug delivery system for the B Pharm 7th semester. Now we come to the first topic is microparticle. What is the introduction of microparticle? Microparticles, microsphere and microcapsules are common constituents of multi-particulate drug delivery system, offering numerous advantages based on their structural and functional abilities, and their application is suitable for convenient and tolerable drug administration via several routes. Depending on the formulation, they can be incorporated into different pharmaceutical dosage forms such as solid, capsules, tablet, sachets, and semi-solid gel cream paste or liquid, solution suspension, and even parenterals. An advantage of microcarriers over nanoparticle is that they do transfers into the interstitium over the size of 100 nanometer transported by the lymph and thus act locally. So the microsphere and microcapsule. Microsphere can be characterized as matrix system in which the drug is homogeneous, dispersed, either dissolved or homogeneously suspended. Microcapsules are heterogeneous particle where a membrane shell is surrounding the core forming reservoir. So the introduction part of this microcapsule, microparticle, and microsuspension. There are various approaches in delivering a therapeutic substance to the target site in a sustained controlled release. One such approach, Hoynick is using microsphere as carrier of drugs. Microspheres are characteristically free-flowing powders consisting of proteins or synthetic polymers which are biodegradable in nature and ideally having a particle size less than 200 micrometer. Microspheres used usually polymers. They are classified into two types. First one is natural polymer and second one is synthetic polymer. So the advantage of the microspheres. Microspheres provide constant and prolonged therapeutic effect, reduce the dosing frequency and thereby improve the patient compliance. There could be injected into the body due to the spherical shape and smaller size. Provide constant and prolonged therapeutic effect. Provide constant drug concentration in blood, thereby increasing patient compliance. Convert liquid to solid form and to mask the bitter taste, protects the GIT from irritant effects of the drug. So what is the advantage? The advantage of microparticles. Microparticles drug delivery system offer outstanding advantages to experts and patients such as, first one is choice of dosage form for the desired drug delivery route per oral tablet and parenteral injections. Modified and targeted even site-specific drug release and delivery. More acceptable pharmacokinetics with reduced intra or inter subject variability. More homogeneous distribution in the physicochemical environment, stable fixed dose combination of the drug. So the dose titration and less dose dumping, patient centricity through better compliance. Example, patients with dysphagia and adherence. Individual therapy, example for pediatric and geriatric population, improving stability of the medicinal preparation. Isolating the constituents to ensure better compatibility and innovative products with a prolonged life cycle through patent protection. So what is the limitations of their delivery? Some of the disadvantages were found to be as follows. The modified release from the formulation, differences in the release rate from one dose to another, and doses form of this kind of should not be crushed. The cost of the materials and processing of the controlled release preparation are sustainable higher than those of standard formulation. Process conditions like change in temperature, pH solvent addition, and evaporation, agitation. Agitation may influence the stability of core particle to be encapsulated. So the types of microsphere, bioadhesive, polymeric, floating, and radioactive. So these are the types, these are the short session of this topic. So this is the complete session. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.